If you're missing your favorite cup of pumpkin spice latte from your favorite coffee shop, don't worry. We will show you how to make it in a matter of minutes. So let's begin. In a saucepan over medium heat, take 1 cup of whole milk. You can also use a non-dairy milk of your choice. 2 tablespoons of canned pumpkin puree. I prefer the Libby's brand. It's the most widely used and preferred brand, but you can use a brand of your own choice. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also use a sweetener of your own choice. Constantly mix to avoid burning until the mixture is warmed. Remember, we have to use warm milk, not boiling milk. If you want to make your own pumpkin pie spice, I'll put the recipe in the description box. Now as the mixture is starting to reach its boiling point, as you can see, the small bubbles are forming. This is the perfect time to start blending it. At this point, you can use a wire whisk to blend the mixture to make froth. But your favorite barista uses an immersion blender, so if you have one, use it. It makes the mixture really frothy. Now as you can see, our milk has nearly doubled in volume by incorporating air to make this froth. Let it simmer for a couple of seconds and then turn off the flame. Now take 1/4 cup of your favorite espresso or coffee. I am using an instant coffee. Then top it with pumpkin spice foam milk. And make a nice swirl of whipped cream on top. You can skip this part if you're using a non-dairy milk. And sprinkle some more pumpkin pie spice on top. And that's it. Your favorite coffee from your favorite coffee shop is ready. So enjoy. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. And until next time, take care and stay safe.